Leia is a attack dog. She can take down criminals, especially if they're carrying a weapon. You guys want to see it? Here it goes.
Hey, yo, where's my money at? Where's my money at?
Oh, no! Leia, good girl, Leia! Get the gun! Isolate the gun! Good girl! Cadence, what happened in that demonstration?
Leia broke the gun.
Show us what she did. She snapped that thing. Crushed it with her jaws. Good girl, Leia. Get that gun. Get that gun. No gun. Good girl. Good girl. Way to isolate.
Leia!
She crushes it again.
No!
All right. Leia. Now she's going after the gun again. So much for the post-interview.
Leia, stop!
Leia, come here. Good girl. Good girl.